Purchase your tracks today.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna have a check up on the car. The brakes, we fixed the issue, but it still feels a bit soft now. Fine tuning it, seeing what we can do, adjusting the cable. I think we're gonna rebleed, just clean up the engine bay a bit. We're gonna roll some footage now. Today is the 14th of March. We were supposed to go to round 1 of MSF just to check out the competition, but they cancelled out because of the COVID virus, so we can't make it there. So we're doing the best we can to get the car running, make sure everything's alright and safe, then we can start working on stripping the car out. So I'll roll some footage for you guys just to see what we're doing so far, and hopefully we can get it done by today.
Purchase your tracks today.
Turun bawah.
Tak, ni extend kan? So sekarang kita
Have to extend it. Dia punya gigi tu kat sini. So kau ikat, dia masuk dalam, kau buka. Turun bawah. Come on, please don't do like this. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going.
This side cantik. This side cantik kan?
That's why I just back just now the brake lever thingy.
Yeah, but spins nicely.